Hello and welcome to my 11 plus exam videos. I picked up these questions from the 11 plus assessment papers from Bond, and so let's get started. Though this is paper 3 by the way. Okay, so I've done 2 other papers in the other videos. This is paper 3. Okay, so let's get started. So the first question is write in figures 1,235,003. So we have to write 1,235,000. So it's 235,003, and we will put in 2 zeros to fill in the gaps for hundreds and tens and hundreds place. Okay, so that's the number. The next question is a teacher checked his smiley face badges and said, I have only got 2.5% of my 280 badge order left. How many badges were left? So we got to find the 2.5% of 280. So let's work it out. So 2.5% is equal to 2.5 divided by 100. That equals 0.025 or 0.025, whichever way you say it. So that's the number. Okay, and we got to multiply it by 280. So let me write down one below the other and multiply, because I can do it better that way. So 28 multiplied by 25. Okay, so we don't take the zeros into account first. 8 times 5 is 40, 0 and 4, 5 times 2 is 10 and 4 is 14, and 28 times 2 is 56, right? 10, 0 and 1 and 1, 2 and 5, 7. So this is 700, and we've got 280. 7,000, we have 3 places of decimal, so it is so we will strike off the 3 zeros and we are left with 7, right? The next question is asking, that's question number 3. It says it takes 0.3 meter of ribbon to decorate a paper party hat. So how many hats can be decorated using 2.3 meter of ribbon? So 0.3 meter of ribbon is one party hat. So 12.3 meter will be more party hats. So therefore it is 12.3. So then that gives me 41, right? So the next one is going to be Gerald tiled the floor in our neighbor's kitchen for 1385 plus 20% VAT. What was their total bill? 20% VAT. Let's work out that. So 20% VAT equals the meaning is 0.2, because 20 divided by 100 multiplied by the cost. So this is, so that will be 5 times 2 is 10, 0 and 1, 2 is 16 and 1 17, 7 and 1 6 and 1 7, so it will be 277. So you will add 1385 plus 277, that's your VAT. Okay, 712, 2 and 1 8 9 and 7 16, 6 and 1 3 4 2 6 1. So the price is 1662. next one. Look at these values for A, B, C, and D and then work out the answers to the questions below. Remember, calculate what's inside the brackets first. So we have A, B, C, and D, and A divided by D is 570 divided by 30. So we can make out, if you do that, you take the zeros off. So this 0 and this 0, and 3 times 1 is 3, 2, 9. It's 19, right? And then the next one they're saying is A minus C times B. So A minus C is 570 minus 235 multiplied by 12. So if I do the subtraction, I get 5 times 5, yeah, and 6 minus 3 is 335, and then I put in a 12 below. Find it easier to multiply. 2 is 10, 0, 1, 7, 3 times 6, and 3, 3, 5, so I get 0, 7 and 5 is 12, 1, 6, 7, 3, 10, we get 4020, so my answer is 4020. Yep, the next one is saying you have to do B times D. So what is B? Is 12 times 30. So we have to do 12 times 30, and we have to add C, that is 235, and then minus 570. So that gives me 12 times, excuse me, 12 times 30 is 360 plus 235 minus 570, that equals 595 minus 570, that equals 525, right? Yep, it is 25, so I get that. The next one is asking me, question number 8 is about the charts. So this is saying, this pie chart shows Amelie usually spends a £3 a week pocket money. What fraction of her pocket money does she have? So, does she save? Sorry, absolutely. So she saves 30p. So this is the saving money. So question number is asking what fraction of her pocket money. So we have to 30p out of £3, so we have to do 0.30 divided by 3. That's the fraction. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 10 to get rid of the decimal. We get 3 out of 30, that's 1 out of 10. So she saves 1/10 of her pocket money. What percentage is for swimming? So swimming is this 1.05, so 1.05 divided by 3 times 100 to make it a percentage. So the 2 zeros go away, the decimal is gone. We don't have a decimal, we get 3 times 3 is 9 and 1 10, 5. So I get 35%. What percentage is for comics? Is 48p. That is 0.48 divided by 3. times, it's a percentage, so times 100. So again I get rid of the decimal, the zeros go away. 3 times 16, so it is 16%. 10 is 16%. What fraction is for sweets? 75p. Divided by 3. Comics. No, sweets. Comics. 3 times. It's a fraction, isn't it? So it's a fraction means it's percent. That is 75 out of 300. We are multiplying numerator and denominator both by 100. So write it. Okay, and that equals, if you do 25 times 3, 1 is 25, 1 out of 4. So it is 1/4. And what percentage is for toys is 42p. So it will be divided by 3 times 100 times 14. The decimal is retained, decimal is taken off. I get 14%. The next one is calculate the answers to these fraction problems. Give your answers as fractions or mixed numbers in their lowest terms. So question 13 is 3 out of 8. 14 is the lowest common multiple is 24. So it is 5 times 3 is 8 times 3 is 24, 5 times 3 is 15, minus 1 is 14 out of 24, 2 times 12, so the answer is 7 out of 12. Number 15 is 5, 4 out of 9, so my lowest common multiple will be, if I do it, 2 is a common multiple, no, 3, sorry, beg your pardon, 3 is a common multiple, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6, times 3 is 18, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 18, 8, 23 out of 18, that is 1, 5 out of 18. So that's my answer. Three divided by 1/3 is 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Isn't it? It is that. The next one is saying now calculate the answers to these fractions and percentages problem. Right, so question number 17. So first we have to work out what's within the brackets. So let's do that. So it's 0.3 times 35. That is 5 times 3 is 15, 5 and 1, 10.5, minus 3.25, because 1/4 is 0.25. Okay, so we get 5. This becomes 4 minus 2 is 2, and this is 7. Yeah, so it's 7.25. That is 7. We convert the 0.25 back into fraction, so I get 7/1/4 because they have said mixed numbers in their lowest terms. Okay, next one is 12, 9 out of 12. 12, 9 out of 12 is also equal to 12 3/4. That is 12.75. Okay, so 12% of 50 will be 0.12 times 50. That is 5 times 12 is 60. 0, 6. So it will be 0.75, 6.75, 6 3/4, 19. What did I go wrong? What did I go wrong? Okay, so I'm doing 12.5. How silly of me. So yeah, 12.75 and of 50 is 60. So the answer is, yeah, 6.75. That is 6 3/4. Yeah, thought I went wrong there for a moment, but no, it's right. So easy to get these wrong. They're really confusing. A lot of multiplication, subtraction, and addition and division, and the whole thing is a mess. So the next one, they're saying 65% of 35. So we got to work that out, and then I'm going to do 21.5. So 21.5 is nothing but 21.5. Okay, so 0.65. So I have to multiply 0.65. So what are we going to get? 5 times 5 is 25. 5 and 2, 5 times is 15 and 2 is 17. 5 times 6 is 30, 0 and 3. 6 times 3 is 18, 21. So we get 5722. That is 22.75. So it's 22.75 minus 21.50. So we get 5 to 1.25 or 1/4. Okay, so the next one is 40% of 15. That is 0.4 multiplied by 15. That is 60. 15 times 4 or 70. 60, sorry. So 1 decimal point, so that is 6. So 6 is my answer here. 18 out of 5 equal to 5 times 3 is 15. 3 out of 5. So if you do 3 divided by 5, get a decimal point, 0, 6, 30, so it's 3.6. So we are adding 6 plus 3.6, that is 9.6 is 9, 6 out of 10. 2 times 3 is 6, so 9, 3 out of 5. So my answer is, 9, 3 out of 5. Okay, the next question is 3 robots, Archie, Brian, and Carol are in a maze. Okay, so they have to get to the end, right? So part of the instructions for each of them to get out is missing. Using forward, right 90 or left 90, right the missing directions. Okay, so A is Archie. Archie will go forward 3 steps, so 1, 2, 3. Will turn left and then 1, 2, so it will be F2, and then turn right, so R90, and then forward 1, 2, F2. Okay, so that's what will happen, F2, R90, F2. Then for Brian, Brian is here. Brian is facing left, mind you, so Brian doesn't have to turn left. So Brian is going forward 1, 2, he's turning right, then 1, 2, then has to turn left. So it is L90, and then 1, 2, forward, and then right 90, and then 1, F1, then left 90, and then 1, 2. So that's one, L90, R90, F1. Okay, so the next question is Carol is F2. So where is Carol? Carol is here, F2. So it's forward 1, 2, then left 90, turn left, then 1, 2, 3, then turn right. So it's R90, and then 1, 2, F2, and then again we will turn R90, turn right, R90, okay, then F1, again turn and then reach the end. So R90, F2, R90, okay. The next one is in a spelling test. 10 children got these marks out of 30. So we got to arrange these numbers from the smallest to the largest. So the smallest is 9. So we got 9. Next smallest is 16. Next is 18. Next is 19. Next is 20. Then is 22. Then is 1, 2, 3 23s. And then we have 27. So what is the range? The range is 9 to 27. That is 18. What is the mode? How many times it is repeated? Maximum number of times we have 23. Then what is the median? The median number is the middle number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What did I do? Yeah, that's 5. I must have got something. Wait, 9, 16. So here Yeah, so that counting. So there are 10 numbers. So if there are 10 numbers, we know the middle numbers are 4. So we have 20 and 22, these are the middle numbers. So 20 plus 22 by 2 is 21. So my answer is 21. Okay, you know this is 21, this is 42 by 2 is 21. So what is the median? Yeah, that's the median. And what is the mean? Now this is the thing, we have to add up all these numbers, right, to get to the mean. And so let me set up the numbers. So 23 times 3 is 969. So 69 is 1 plus 27, 9 and 7, 16, 6 and 1, 6, 7 and 2, 9. So we have 96. So we have 96, and then so we have to add 296. So I've added 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 plus 22 is 42. 96 plus 42 is 8. 9 plus 4, 13. 138. So this is gone. Then I have 9 plus 16 is 25. So 25 plus 19 plus 18 is 37, I think. 7 and 1, 37. So I get 12, 1 and 2, 3 and 3, 62. So I have to add this to here. 0 and 1, 3, 4 and 6, 10, 0 and 1. I get 200. So our mean is 200 divided by 10, that's 20. So my answer is 20. So the next one, okay. So I have to write the perimeter. So this is a square. The perimeter will be times 4. So it is 8, 4, 16, 20, 28, 36. So then I have to draw a graph of length against perimeter. So let me draw 10 and 40 pointers here. 0, 0 point is the start. Take any point in between 5 and 20. So there is my 5 and my 20 is here. This is my 5 and 20. So I got to draw a line passing through these 3 points. So use a ruler and you will get a line like this, and that does it. So the next one is draw lines to connect the shape with its name. So I know that this is my parallelogram. No, how silly of me. That's not a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This is a kite. This is a rhombus. Sorry about those marks. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is an octagon. Then I will have, this is my pentagon, and this is my hexagon. I think that's it. Yep, nearly there. Final one is 64 minus 3b is 37. I hope my question and those answers are correct in the last one. If not, do leave a comment, please. So like this one, let me do it. I'm nearly out of time. So 64 minus 3p is 37. So p is 64 minus 37 is 7. 27 is 3p. So p equals 9. So I will write 9 here. Then 4q times 3 is 84, or 4q is 84 divided by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. It is 24. 28. Q equals 7. Then 5r divided by 6 equals 5. So r equals 6. And then I get 20s divided by 25. So 20s is 25, 2.5 to multiply. So I have to do, and 2 times 8 and 2 is 10. 25 times 2 is 50, 0, 6, 6 point. So I get 60. S is 60 by 20, that's 3. Okay. So the next one is use these values to calculate this. So let's do it. So that would mean I have to do this. So it is 3p plus 4q. So 3p is 3 times 9 is 27. 4q is 4 times 7 is 28. Minus 2r. 2r is 6. 12 plus 9 times 3 is 27. So that equals 7 and 8 is 15. 5 and 1 and 2, 3 and 2 is 5. Minus plus 2 is 9. 39. 9 and 15 is 9 and 6 is 15. Takes so long. 4 minus 3 is 1 to 16. My answer, yes it is 16 is the answer. That concludes this paper. Hope you had fun doing it with me. Thank you so much for your time, and please like and subscribe if you find these videos useful. Thank you.